In this final part of the series, I will go through changes that I had to make to the model after testing and discovering oversights I made earlier. Again, if you're only interested in seeing the results, please watch part 1 of the series. Part 2 and 3 are more of a technical how-to. Before I print that out, actually, I'm noticing that there's a little channel that the axle hub actually goes into. There's a little dip that I didn't account for, so I'm going to have to make one small edit. Let me measure the distance of this recess. So it looks like that recess is 1.19. There's a little groove going right along here and along the perimeter of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually edit the extrude for this part, and I need to subtract another 1.19. So minus 1.19. All right, so the bearing will sit a little bit further deeper in there, and then I want to create one more final sketch on this face. And I want to forget the diameter of that, but I do want to create a center rectangle, whatever the width of that was. Let me get that measurement. That was the 4.05 measurement. So put the dimension 4.05. All right, so I want that groove, and I also want an offset around the circle that exists. Let's go with another center circle here. Or actually, let's just do an offset. Cancel. Offset of this one. 1 millimeter. Let's do 1.5. Does that look about right? That looks about right. 1.5 millimeters. Yes. Okay, and now we should be able to finish this sketch and do one final extrude for here, 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 and we want to cut, and we want to cut down 1.19. No target body. This one. What do you mean? Oh, negative 1.19. There we go. I don't think I need this because this circle, oh, maybe I do. Let's leave that there. In fact, let's fillet this to be safe. This one, this one. One millimeter. No, I want a little bit more strength there. So there's going to be a little piece of metal that's round that sits here, and I want to make sure there's enough room for it there. Let's do the same thing here. Fillet here, here, 5, All right, and now I think everything should be ready to print. All right, let's save this. I don't need any support material. And let's just take a quick look at the layer view, see if everything looks good. Oops. I don't think I need, oh wait, I do need to put some support material in the middle, I think. Okay, let's do a support material. There it is. Oops, I did high speed, not high detail. High detail, keep. All right, so we're looking at 40 minutes, not too bad. Okay, so then I'll import that to Octoprint. Let's connect to Octoprint. Upload the new version of the file. Printer, oh, I need to turn on the light there, but looks like it's ready. And we'll print. Oh wait. Still connecting. Oh, there it goes. Okay. All right. Back. Went and turned on the light. Printer's connected now. Carrier file is uploaded, and we'll start the print. Okay, let's go back in and fix the bearing size. So we'll enter the original sketch. And that's not right, sorry. The original sketch, there we go. All right, so 7.5 is the correct outer diameter of the bearing. What happened was I put this one on the inside or outside, and it should have been on the inside. So how do I edit? This one, -1. It's better. Okay, so extrude is wrong now. So we gotta find the extrude. I think it was this one. think that's correct. Oops. Should have been a join. This part's missing now. Alright, so it looks like the original sketch extruded that part too when we changed the geometry. So gotta edit this one and deselect this one and this one. I think we're good now. That looks better. So the last thing we got to do is we got to fix the screw that didn't print out. So this one. Okay, so this was just showing in the image, but it wasn't actually in the exported model. Oh, I can scroll down. Okay, that's why I couldn't size this yesterday. So M3 screw, that's correct. Size 4.5. I think that's the deep, that's fine. So there we go, modeled. I think that's the only thing we're missing. Alright. So let's save that. And we'll export it again. Okay, so I realized that this still doesn't print. So I think I need to do this a different way. I've learned this lesson before, but I forgot. Okay, I don't think I want to do it this way. I don't want to model the threads here. Let's just do a simple hole. And let's mirror. Alright, so I'm going to mirror this across the plane, but I'm already on the origin, so I need to create an offset plane. Turn off the body, construct an offset plane off of this one, but over here. Okay, now I can make this visible, and I should be able to mirror this. I want to mirror a body, this whole body, and I want to mirror across this plane and it to be a new body. Alright, so rename this one to right front carrier. Left front carrier. And then I need to recreate the holes. So let's try it a different way. So let's go click into the cylinder and we'll do create thread. Again, modeled, that's important. 3 millimeters, M3, right hand. Okay. I think that's good. Then we'll do the same thing over here. Thread. Modeled. 3 millimeters. Okay. We'll save that and we'll try it again. After I printed it out, I was able to test it in the vehicle and everything looked like it was working perfectly. For the final part of this video, I'm going to fast forward through the process of chamfering it to come up with the final version. The chamfers make it look more like the original piece, and it reduces some of the plastic used to make the piece hopefully break more like the original piece broke away. I'd rather break this piece since I can now print it readily, as opposed to breaking a piece I haven't spent so much time designing. In order to do this, I start off by deleting the fillets that we created earlier in the video. I can then use the Chamfer tool, and much like the fillet tool, all you do is you select the edges that you want to chamfer and then push in the amount that you want to chamfer. This can be repeated for all the edges until it looks like the original piece. That's it for this video. If anyone has watched and enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments below, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.